Hey, what's up, guys? Today I want to just go over this morning's New York session. Happy Friday. By the way, it's July 4th weekend here in the United States. So Monday and Tuesday I won't be trading next week. Yeah, so just going to be visiting with family and hanging out, just kind of letting the markets do its thing. I'm sure New York will be closed and all those guys, and we'll be chilling. So we came into this daily fair value gap, or we came into this weekly fair value gap this morning on the day, and I called this yesterday that this could happen. We could come into this weekly during London, and then since it's Friday, I wouldn't be surprised if it just retraced back up because it's been bearish all week. So or for the majority of the week, but we came up Monday, Tuesday, and then came down, swept these lows Friday, and and it just came back up and retraced. So when I saw this in London, let me go to that hour. This is that weekly fair value gap reaction, and that happened 4 a.m. New York, so this was in the middle of the London kill zone. It just reacted nicely and gave a nice market structure shift to the upside, which I was looking at, because the shift happened between 7 and 10 a.m. New York. So here was 7. We shifted. This was the market structure shift right here, this swing high. Came above, closed above. I was waiting for price to come back down into here. I start trading at 8:30, so I was hoping maybe we'd get a retracement, but nah, it just kept going up and just never really came back. We had a bunch of news today. Where is it? I had it written out somewhere. Here it is. So we had 8:30 a.m. medium and high impact news. Why isn't this showing on my 15-minute? Let's see. Visibility, minutes, weeks. There we go. I don't know why it's not showing, but maybe it's because it's over there. There we go. All right. Sorry about that. So we had 8:30 a.m. medium and high impact news. 8:30 came, and it never even came down. I was thinking maybe it would want to come down into here and then fly up, but it didn't do that. It just continued up, and then 9:45 came around on this candle, and it just continued up. This turning point right here where I had my winner, that is where the dollar took out sell side right here. So this is DXY. We took out that low here, and then we retraced. So when I saw it take out this low, I was expecting a retrace right there, and that's what we got. And I'll just go ahead and show you my trades. This first one right here was a loss. We reacted from this fair value gap. We only had a 1-minute market structure shift, but it was really anemic, just, small market structure shift. It wasn't even that big. Here's the swing low. That was taken out. And there wasn't really that much displacement. I mean, you can look at just on auto, it was kind of just corrective coming down. I took it just took me out right away. So that was -1. And then up here is where we swept the DXY low. And so I was waiting for it to turn as well in euro since we did that. And we got that market structure shift here. And see how this is just more displacement than this right here. It's just a little more powerful. I just targeted this sell side right here pretty aggressively for about 1.5. After commissions and spreads, it all came out to pretty much a break-even day. Very small win, but these are counter trend trades, and I'm okay with taking them. But I know the big trades will come when I'm on the right side of the market and when they provide me with trades, given the correct bias. But you don't even need correct bias. Sometimes you just get a good trade, your bias can be wrong, and it can still work out for you. But, yeah, so I'll just flip through this here, or I'll just show you my executions real quick to show you. So this was the first sell and buy. This was the sell right here on this candle as we came up into this value gap. And, yeah, this is where I bought it back right here. So I had a buy at that and a sell right here, sell right there, and a buy. So if you go to the 5 minute, we never had a market structure shift at all. I'll just show you how I was flipping through it. So the 15 minute, that was the 15 minute. You can go down to the 5, and you're just flipping through. You just keep looking until you get that. And the candles are moving the whole time I'm doing this. I'm not waiting for a break or anything. I'm just watching every single time frame, flipping through until I get a close under a swing low and then the fair value gap. So we had a 2 minute one after this. Where was it? Yeah, so we had our shift right here on the 2 minute. Could have taken that, and so that was the low. 219. Wait. Low is 219. Yeah, and then the close of this. So we didn't even close it below it on the 2 minute. But yeah, so I did use the 1 minute one. I used this first fair value gap, and price just came back up. And then just dropped. And so I just was in and out real quick. Yeah, for next week, I'm expecting the bias to be bullish on Euro, going up to take out these highs. We don't even have to do that next week, though. We could but I could see it freaking rolling next week because of just the holidays. Sometimes price will just freaking move during the holidays. It doesn't have to slow down just because everybody thinks people aren't trading and banks are closed. Sometimes biggest moves happen when everything's closed. So I'm not sure why. But yeah, might just come up and take out these highs since we already filled this fair value gap right here. And for the dollar, I could see it wanting to come down to attack this low and then to attack these relative equal lows right here. So other than that, yeah, I got a lot of executions on the weekly. Yeah, so that is the main overview, and I hope y'all have a good July 4th for all you USA people, and if you're overseas, yeah, just have a good trading week and enjoy the weekend. Talk to you later. Peace.